Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 13. The accurate measurement of the relative density of a substance in its powdered form is done with a beam balance and A. a Eureka can, B. a burette, C. a pipette, D. a density bottle. Now, we are asked for what is used to measure accurately the relative density of a substance, of a powdered substance. Okay. Now, it's important to note that relative density is a function of the mass of the substance. Okay, so in order to carry out measurement of relative density, you take mass of equal volume of water in the relative density bottle, okay, and you use it to determine the mass of the substance, the powdered substance. So you are going to use a density bottle, like we said, a relative density bottle. Okay, you use equal mass or mass of equal volume of water in a relative density bottle to determine the mass of the substance, and like we've established, the mass of the substance is equal to the relative density of the substance, and you fill the bottle, the relative density bottle, with the powder and water respectively, and then weigh on the beam balance. So the major thing to draw out from this explanation is that the density bottle is what is used along with the beam balance to measure the relative density of a powdered substance. So option D is a density bottle. So that is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.